alone here because Jay and Sean, they can't be here. I think they just can't be bothered to do any more videos, so they asked me to do it. And today, I'm going to take you on a little tour around the beautiful Phi Phi Islands. So come with me. That was the intro, by the way. It's good, wasn't it? I like it. I like my little intro.
It's better than Jay's intro. He always messes them up.
Anyway, you might recognise these dramatic cliffs and crystal clear waters from the 2000 blockbuster, not the shop that used to do VHS. Ask your mum and dad about those. But The Beach, starring the very handsome and gorgeous Leonardo DiCaprio. Yep, it was filmed right there in Maya Bay on Phi Phi Lay. Oh, it rhymes. Maya Bay on Phi Phi Lay, Maya Bay on Phi Phi Lay, Maya Bay on Phi Phi Lay, Maya Bay on Phi Phi Lay. Woo! What? A little song for you, wasn't it nice? Now, for a lot of people think Phi Phi is just one island, but actually it's a group of 6. Only one of them, Phi Phi Don, not as in the Don as in the gangster Don, but Phi Phi Don, is developed. That's right. The rest are totally untouched with virgin islands, not that kind of virgin.
Stop it. Get some help.
I've not been a virgin for a long time.
My disappointment is immeasurable.
And a lot of them are protected by national park. That's right. Love the national park. They're very lovely. They wear nice uniforms, very tight. I like them. Now, Phi Phi Don is at the heart of the action with cute cafes, beach bars and some amazing snorkeling spots. It's also where we stop for a delicious Thai lunch on our Phi Phi tours. That's if you want to get off and have a delicious Thai lunch. If you want to stay on the boat, you can, because you can order a packed lunch. It's really up to you. Now, look! This is Maya Bay. It was closed for reef restoration for a few years, but it reopened in 2022 with new rules. Now you have to enter via a pier from the back end. We all like it from the backside, don't we? And you can explore the bay from the land. And this helps to preserve the natural wonder. Whereas before, all the boats used to go right into the bay and onto the beach, and it was disgusting. It wasn't nice. So now it's much better. Now, it's not just Maya Bay that's beautiful. The whole of Phi Phi is bursting with beautiful marine life and coral reefs. Perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and soaking up paradise. A tropical day in 5-star marine private tour could look something like this. Now, this is just a sample itinerary. Okay, it can change. That's a great thing about having a private tour. We can change the itinerary around what you want to do. But this is just a little sample. So we'll head down and have some photos at Maya Bay. They feel beautiful. A bit like this one. Look at me in the water. Oh, done lovely. Then we go swimming at the emerald waters of Pileh Lagoon. Then we can do some sightseeing at Viking Caves. Go and see those hunky Vikings with their big Jack Russells. Oh, hunky Vikings. Then we can have lunch on Phi Phi Don, Thai style, or you can have a little picnic, as I said before. Then you can chill with the monkeys at Monkey Beach, but be careful they don't steal your wallets or anything else. I'm not sure you should go to Monkey Beach. They're cheeky and some of them aren't very nice. Anyway, then you can snorkel around Camel Rock, very nice. And then at the end of the day, you can relax either on Kai and have another snorkeling spot and maybe a cocktail or two. Have a pina colada. Everyone loves a pina colada.
What did he say?
They're very nice. Or you go to Rang Island, which is very nice too. Once again, have a lovely cocktail. Do you know what the best part of it all is? Every single one of our tours is a private tour. It's all to do with you. So you choose where you want to go. If you want to spend more time at Maya Bay, you can. If you want to spend more time at Pileh Lagoon, you can. If you do want to go and play with the monkeys, you can. It's up to you. It's your experience. We try to make it sure that you don't hit the crowds, but obviously there are certain places it does get quite busy, but we can take you there not at busy times. Remember, no rush. It's just you and this beautiful scenery. So, whether you're looking for a romantic escape with me, you can, you know, or a family adventure, or just some epic Instagram moments, then definitely Phi Phi is the way to go. So, maybe I'll see you on the next adventure. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more tropical goodness of me. I'll give you a lot of goodness. Karen goodness. It's lovely. Thanks for watching. Bye. I tell you what, I'm done with talking like this. Do you know what I mean? Honestly, get someone else to dress up like this. Can't be arsed anymore.